Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make beauty routines feel effortless yet luxurious. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kiko Milano long-lasting liquid eyeshadow in the shade 02 Precious Organza, a metallic, blendable pencil designed to deliver vibrant, enduring color for your eyes. From the first glance, this eyeshadow stands out for its sleek pencil form, which promises precision and ease of application. The metallic finish gives it a luminous quality, perfect for both subtle day looks and dramatic evening styles. Kiko Milano emphasizes blendability, which immediately caught my attention as a feature that can make or break a liquid eyeshadow. In testing this product, I found the application smooth and surprisingly forgiving. The pencil glides across the lid without tugging, and the metallic pigment is rich, delivering true-to-shade color in just one stroke. I tried layering and blending it with my fingertip and a brush, and it maintained its intensity while allowing for soft transitions. Exactly what you want when creating depth or shimmer on the eyelid. Throughout the day, it stayed put without creasing, fading, or transferring, which is impressive for a metallic liquid formula. That said, in very oily lids, a primer may still be advisable for maximum longevity. There's a balance to be struck here. On the pro side, the pigment payoff, blendability, and long-lasting formula make it a strong contender in the liquid eyeshadow category. Its metallic finish is vibrant without being overwhelming, and the pencil format makes it portable and user-friendly. On the flip side, while the formula is long-wearing, it does set quickly, which means you need to work fast when blending. Also, as with many metallic shadows, removal can be slightly more effortful if you're not using a gentle eye makeup remover. Considering value for money, Kiko Milano positions this eyeshadow at a mid-range price point. Given the quality of pigment, ease of use, and staying power, it feels justified. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but you're paying for a product that reliably delivers both intensity and longevity. In comparison to other metallic liquid eyeshadows such as those from L'Oreal or NYX, Kiko holds its own in terms of richness of color and wear time, while offering a sleek, travel-friendly pencil design that some competitors lack. The pencil is sturdy, with a smooth, matte black casing that feels premium. I haven't tested it long-term, but Kiko Milano's reputation suggests this formulation is stable and should retain its performance for months. If you're exploring alternatives, lower-cost metallic liquid eyeshadows are available, but many require more layers to achieve similar intensity or lack the same staying power. Kiko Milano strikes a solid balance between quality and usability. Overall, Kiko Milano's long-lasting liquid eyeshadow in 02 Precious Organza delivers on its promise of vibrant, metallic color that's easy to blend and lasts throughout the day. It's ideal for anyone looking to add a splash of shimmer with minimal effort and precise application. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this eyeshadow, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. You can find the purchase link in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.